Good morning, Fox 4 meteorologist Andrew Shipley as we take a live look outside from the Margaritaville Beach Resort there in Fort Myers Beach. Ominous clouds out there, some cumulonimbus as we are tracking showers and some thunderstorms up along the coastline there for you this morning. Kind of training right up along the coast. We are expecting more shower and storm activity as the day goes on here. So we're already tracking a wet start in places like Pine Island, up towards Bokeelia, Captiva, heading up towards Charlotte Harbor. Had even a few showers already down in Marco Island as well. As for temperatures, well, we are looking at those on the warm side as well this morning. 80 degrees Punta Gorda, 81 in Sanibel, 80 down in Marco Island. If you're looking at the next couple hours, warming up into the upper 80s. Could touch 90 today, but I think with those showers and storms around and some clouds around, I don't think we'll quite get there. But we are expecting showers and storms start to get going about 1 o'clock for the most part here as we'll be tracking afternoon storms. And temperatures again in the upper 80s, low 90s for you this afternoon, with humidity though still feeling like the upper 90s. A couple of us maybe touch that triple digit mark. As for the rest of the weekend though, again watching storm chances for you today. Those should wrap up here about 9 o'clock here tonight. The clearing skies down about 76 degrees, and then Labor Day Monday more the same. Another round of storm coverage for you right around 80%. As for your weekend boating forecast, look at Sunday here, 1 to 2 feet, light chop out there. Labor Day, a bunch of the same, but both days we will be tracking those storm chances for you. So let's time that out for you here. Again, this morning we're already tracking those shower storms up along the coastline. Do expect that to continue through much of the morning, though. As you look at about noontime, still pretty quiet out there, but about 2 o'clock or so, that's when we start to see those showers and storms really bubbling up. Looks like today, though, most of the activity will be east of I-75 for you as we head in towards the evening, then push back towards the coast as the sun starts to set right around 8 o'clock here tonight. Now, as for your Monday, still waking up again, very similar with showers and storms up along the coastline there in the morning, though I do expect most of the activity to be closer to I-75 and the coast as we get into about noontime there Monday, and continuing as we move throughout the afternoon there Monday into the evening hour. So it looks like Labor Day could be the wetter of the days, but still you're looking at pretty good rain chances today, especially inland, 1-2 inches of rain, localized amounts. And as you look at the 2 days as a whole, everyone's got a pretty good chance to see some decent rain numbers here into Tuesday morning. But speaking of rain chances, we're going to keep those elevated. Some unsettled weather kind of hanging out, sea breezy pattern as we get temperatures going to hang out right around the 90s there as well. As for the tropics, so starting to get closer and closer to peak season on September 10th. I got 3 things we're watching for you. One in the Gulf. This is just kind of in a very disorganized little system here. Only 20% chance for the next 7 days here. A lot of this is going to bring just heavy rain parts of Texas, Louisiana. And then we got another wave just coming off of Africa right now. This is a 20% chance. Could see some slow development. Looks like Monday that wave will get into the Atlantic there. So let's kind of just watch that 20% chance. And then this guy's the one that's kind of watching a little bit closer here. 40% chance of the next 7 days, kind of been bouncing back and forth from the Hurricane Center from 40 to 50% there, though we still think a depression could form next week somewhere in the Caribbean. Now, where does it go from there? There's still a lot of question marks with that. This one's going to be one to watch as we move through the next week a little bit closer here. As for your 7-day forecast, so I am watching just pretty much your daily storm chances. Temperatures a little cooler, we'll say in the upper 80s, low 90s next 2 days here, though back in those lower to mid 90s, especially as you get into Wednesday as we roll through the rest of the week.